everyone, welcome to Gogetmyguru. Before proceed with the today's session, let's have a look at agenda of today's session. In this video, we'll discuss about the second type of inheritance called as multi-level inheritance. In this case, there will be a base class called as chair and we can derive a class from this base class called as side chair, and from this side chair class we can derive one more class called as office chair. Here we can see a many level, so we can call it as multi-level inheritance. Let's see the definition of multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is one of the types of inheritance in Python. The derived class inheriting the properties from its base class, in turn base class inheriting properties from its base class is called as multi-level inheritance. Let's map this definition with diagram here. Class office chair is derived class from its base class, that is side chair, and side chair is derived class from its base class, that is chair. The class chair contains display feature method and class side chair contains display side chair method plus base class method, that is display feature method, and one more class office chair contains display office chair along with the methods of side chair class. We'll see a coding for this multi-level inheritance in VS Code. Create a class called as chair, then define a method called as display feature chair method with self keyword, and write one print function, and create a class called as side chair, then define a method called as display side chair method with self keyword, and write one more print function, that is side chair are armless chairs that are along with the sides of dining table, and then create one more class called as office chair. Define one more method called as display office chair method with self keyword, and write one more print function with string. Office chair is a chair that is designed to be used at a desk in an office. Since it is a multi-level inheritance, write base class's name in its derived class, that is chair in side chair class and side chair in office chair class. Create a object office chair is equal to office chair in main function. Then call the methods which is belongs to chair class, side chair class and office chair class. Then call the main function. We'll run this code and we can see the output is features of chair. Side chair are armless chairs that are along with the sides of dining table. Office chair is a chair that is designed to be used at a desk in an office. Here chair is base class and side chair is derived from the base class chair and office chair is derived from the class side chair. This is about the multi-level inheritance. Hope you are enjoying learning with us. Requested to like our videos to support us. Leave us a feedback in the comment section. Are you a subscriber to our channel? If not, requested to click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive regular updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next session. Keep coding. Happy learning.